This morning we are hitchhiking first time in UAE. We started from Sharjah and we go to Dubai. It's around 50 kilometers. And we stuck in the morning traffic. And the first woman who picked us up is a mom. Thank you very much.
Most welcome.
She saw hitchhikers just in the movies. So that's why she was surprised. But it's a safe country, so we will be fine. Woman Iman, which picked us up from Sharjah to Dubai, dropped us exactly to Dubai Marina, our destination. 6 years ago, I stayed in this district. It was my first place in Emirates, and I stayed in the building behind, just 600 meters away. And this is Dubai Marina Mall. It's a place where people park their boats and so on. And now we will go to meet Sukru from CouchSurfing, who promised us a boat tour to the sea today. This morning we met with Shukru from CouchSurfing, and he invited us for breakfast at his place called Simichi. It's a unique place, opened since 12 years, right? And there is no other place with the same food. Yes, Shukru is originally from Batman. It's a city close to the Lake Van. I was there exactly 2 years ago. How do you call this type of breakfast?
Actually in Turkey we call sadma. Yani it means like we bring whatever we have. Still it will come things, you know.
And this place is located next to the channel. It's Dubai Marina area. Yes. Dubai Marina. Now we are going for boat tour in the sea. With Shukru, our captain. These old boats belong to the club where Shukru is a member. But for today, he booked this white boat. So let's go. We stopped in this place in front of the hotel Burj Al Arab. It is one of the most famous places of Dubai. You can see it on many pictures when you search information about Dubai. And Shukru said to us, we are very lucky with the weather today, because it's small waves and no wind. It's perfect weather for the boat tour. Shukru said during last month the weather was very bad and it was impossible to go with the boat.
Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Technology marches on. It has become appallingly obvious that our technology has exceeded our humanity. Technology marches on. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Technology marches on. Technology marches on. Technology is indistinguishable from magic. Technology marches on. It has become appallingly obvious that our technology has exceeded our humanity. Technology marches on. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Technology marches on. Technology marches on. Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Technology marches on. It has become appallingly obvious that our technology has exceeded
This is Al Nahil Oasis Park. Today is Sunday, that's why many people came here to have a picnic. Jordanian family invited us for lunch with them. This is name Mendi. Yes, very similar dish, but mansaf, which I tried in Jordan. It's a very big Jordanian family from the capital, from Amman. Thank you very much. This is Al Nur Mosque. It's the biggest mosque in Sharjah. This is Central Sharjah Souk. It's one of the sightseeings in Sharjah. It is a big market, or bazaar, other name. This is Souk Al Jibail. It is old market, and now here is located fruits and vegetable market, and some nuts and so on. This is Sharjah Fort. It's one of the main sightseeings in Sharjah and one of the oldest buildings in this emirate. But it's not big.